Here we have the turret roof, the side turret. And well, actually, I guess it's not a turret, it's a bay window, but we have a roof over it. And because this does go down to the ground, goes into the basement actually. So this one, the problem we've had here is there's been leaks. Yeah, we geckoed a couple of them just to quickly take care of them. They were going down into the roof below, or the porch. But here's the crux of the problem. Water comes over this edge, so I have to get up there and figure that out. And it must be when it's going hard, it comes down right on the siding. And they had tarred up this like 3 feet up here. And you can see we have gaps here. So we have to take the rest of this off, and then we have to put flashing on here. We also got to clean this roof so we can get down to good fresh metal, which we can gecko then. So that's what we're going to work on now.